Hey guys, so I'm here with a 2023 Artura wrap like F1 inspired Richard Mealy, the F1 Formula One McLaren racing team. Look at this. This is like insane. Look how good this looks. We got Mr. F1 pilot. Doors goes up. The specs on this car is gorgeous. Look at this. Your hybrid horsepower is like 680 horsepower, I believe. Look at this. Compared to the 570S, this one's tuned, but still, like, look how nice this is. Gorgeous. Comparison, still beautiful. I love McLarens. For all those who want to see the difference between a 570S and an Artura, the new latest hybrid from McLaren. There you go. Gorgeous. Beautiful. So nice.